cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding.
Don't give a fuck running through my head. All these years wishing I was dead. Took a walk outside, made a million stand. Gotta see this through cause I can't say goodbye. I'm living on the edge, now I'm at my age. And if I come back, never be the same. Took a long time, now I'm so high. Don't believe me, look in my eyes.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding.
No, I don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding.
This is my last resort.
Cut my life in a million pieces. Walk through fire cause I got no reason, yeah. Don't kill me out cause I'm bleeding. Straight juggernaut, now I'm healing. Back and forth, I wage a war inside. I toss and turn at night, it hurts and then I break through, had to find myself. Took a last resort to fix this. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind.
Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Nothing's alright. Nothing is fine. I'm running and I'm crying.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort.
Keep holding on when my brain's ticking like a bomb. Guess the black dogs have come again to get me. Sweet little words, unlike nothing I have heard. Sing along, mockingbird,
streets know you. And when it's time, don't handle business, and we know what to do. Me and my crew, we stay true, old school and new. Many will call, but the chosen a few.